chemistry 9 standard final. And why this is so old? Anyway, let us look at the first question. What are the properties of gases? Learning work will you do on your own? Gases have low density. Why? Intermolecular spaces are large, correct? So mass per unit volume is less. Okay, so that is how it will go. This is learning, it's there in the textbook. What is the equation of Boyle's law? Tell me.
P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2.
And where what you'll say? Where
Temperature
P is
constant.
no, where P is the pressure and V is the volume. Okay, and then what you'll say if temperature constant. Okay, so
Is
it could be a
temperature constant.
a 1 mark question, but write it like this. Don't just sit like this and say, yay, I'll get my full marks. Okay, mention what is pressure and volume. I'm just telling you how the correction can become tough. Understanding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the variation of temperature and pressure on volume of the gases? So, temperature and pressure, what you will say that the volume is going to be inversely proportional
Pressure.
to pressure, and volume is directly proportional to
Proportional to temperature.
temperature. Okay, and this you will say by whose law? Boyle's law. This will be by whose law? Charles' law. Okay, therefore you will say P1 V1 upon T1 equal to P2 V2 upon T2. Okay, so this is the variation of temperature and pressure. So this is the equation you will have to use in order to go for that. State and explain Charles' law. It's again learning work, yes. Convert the following into
Yes.
Kelvin. If I want this in Kelvin, I have to add 273. So 35 degrees C will be equal to 35 plus 273 means how much? 7 and 3 10. 308 Kelvin. Can you do that for each one of them? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
They can even ask you the other way. 373 Kelvin is equal to blah degree C. So you will subtract 273. Understanding. Calculate the following.
Yes.
This is again a very, very simple question, not very difficult. Sample of the gas. This is volume. This is temperature. What volume? What volume will it occupy? Pressure remaining constant. Now I'm just giving you little time and just solve this on your own. I just need to take my one medicine. First question is done.
Yes,
Are you on the second question?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you get the first answer as? What did you get the first answer as?
2 liter.
2 liters. What equation did you use here?
Charles.
Charles law.
Charles law. What statements did you write by?
Charles.
Charles law what?
Charles.
V1 upon T1 is equal to
V1 upon
upon
T1 equals to V2 upon
T1 equal to V2 upon V.
And then you substituted. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is this over here? Which equation did you use here?
Charles law.
Charles law, ma'am.
What did you write? The steps, come on, tell. By
Charles law V1 upon
By
T1
Charles
is equal
law,
to V2
V1
upon
upon
T2.
T1 equals to V2 upon is equal to V2 upon T2.
then you substituted.
Yes,
And what
ma'am.
did you
Yes,
get?
ma'am.
What did you get the temperature? What did you get the temperature? Not yet done? Done or not done? What is your V1? 100 cc, correct? What is your
Yes,
T1?
450
It
K.
is 27 degrees C plus
Ma'am, I
273.
also got 450K.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how much? 300 Kelvin, no?
300K. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what did you get here? 100 upon 300
300
is equal
is
to
equal to V2 upon 200.
what? What did you write? Tell me. 100 upon 300 equal to?
150 upon T2.
T2.
Ah, very good. So this is like this. So T2 came out to be how much?
450.
450
450 Kelvin.
Kelvin. But you have to subtract 273. And then what you will get?
177 degrees Celsius.
177 degrees C. Correct. So
Yes.
this is your T2. What is T2? 177 degrees C. Remember, you'll get your answer in Kelvin, but what you should do? Subtract.
273.
Yeah,
273
correct.
top.
Yeah. Now what about this? What does this mean? There is case 1 and case 2. What will be the volume at STP means P1, V1, T1. Pressure will be here. They have given 70 centimeter. So we'll write 76 centimeter. Sorry, this is P2, P2, T2. Okay, and this will be 0 degree C, which will be how much? 273 Kelvin. Then you'll have here P1. P1 is 70 centimeter mercury. How much is V1? 760 centimeter cube. And what is T1? 27 degrees C means plus 273. Okay, that will be 300. Then what you will say? By which equation?
Gas
By
equation.
gas equation.
What is the gas equation?
P1 V1 upon T2
Is equal to
P2 V2
P2
is
V2
equal to
upon T2.
P2 upon T2.
Very good. So that will be 70.
70 into 760 upon 300 is
Very
equal
good.
to 76 into V2 upon 273.
Very good. So we'll have V2 equal to, take these numbers that side. So it will be 70 into 760 into 273
upon
upon,
300 into 76.
cancel the zeros first. 76 ones and 76 ones. 3 goes here. How many times? 91 times. So you have 7 into 91, no? Everything else is cancelled. Check.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
7
ma'am.
and 7 nines, 63. What? And once you have this, what will you write here? Not just V2. What you should write? Volume at STP. What you'll
Volume.
write here? Volume at STP. Did you finish writing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Remember, you have seen the strictness of your teachers earlier. Do not take chances and make any shortcuts. Okay. Now, what is this volume of ASTP? If this, it occupies the volume 5 liters. What will you say over here? What will you say? Exactly the same thing, no? What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
case
Yes,
1?
ma'am.
Tell me, and case 2. They are saying calculate the volume at STP, means this will be your P2, V2 and T2. This will be, they have given 776 mm. So what you'll write over here, STP means 760 it becomes. Understanding? If they put centimeter here, then we'll put centimeter here, means 76. Calculate the volume. So this is question mark, and this is 37 degrees C, means you will have to add 273. That will give us how much? 7 and 3, 10. 310
Yes, ma'am.
Kelvin Miller. Now what
Kelvin.
is our P1? At 775 mm Hg. What is V1? It occupies 5 liters. So this is 5 liters. And then T1. How much is T1? 37. Hey, no. This 37 should have been here. What did I
Yes, ma'am.
write? Made a mistake. So this is 310. And this cancel. What is the mistake here? What should be here? This is STP, no? So
Yes.
this will be 0
degree.
degree C plus 273. You all also didn't say anything. Actually, I can say I was testing you, no?
Yes.
Then what you'll say? By gas
By gas
equation.
equation.
So what you'll have? P1 V1 upon T1
P1
equal to what?
Equal to P2
V2
V2
upon
upon
T2.
Correct. So what is P1? Tell me. 775 into 5
775
upon 273.
300
No,
No,
not
ma'am,
273.
upon 310.
What is that? Yeah, very good. I'm so proud of you that you all were alert. Good, good, good. This is 760 into V2 upon how much?
273.
273. So calculations I will do here this side. V2 will be equal to, don't do any
775.
cancellation, just copy this as it is here. 775 into 5.
Into 5
Then
into
310. Then take these number that side. So 273 will come in the numerator, and 760 goes like this. Now double check. Have I copied correctly? Have I copied correctly? Always double check. Alright. Now,
Yeah.
how do we proceed? 31. 31. This is 19 times multiple. Is this going 19? No. What to do now? None of these is such a nice calculation they have given us, no? Let's check dividing by 5 here. 5 ones 5, remain 2. 5 fives 25. 5 fives. Then here this one. 5 ones 5, remain 2. 5 fives 25, 1, 152. Now can you see 31 tens and 31 or 5, 155 goes twice in this. Can you see that? Can you see this is double? Did you see that? What else can I do? 152. 152 is 19 times multiple, but 8 times. This is 3 into 7 into 13.
Ma'am, I guess 19 goes by 273.
273. 19 goes by how?
No. Sorry.
No, it doesn't.
19 goes by.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
19 476 and 19 eights.
Yes, 19 8 1.
19 eights. So this number, see, this is 19 into 8, correct? And this is
Yes.
3 into 91 means 7 into 13. There's no common factor here and here. Can you see that? So
Yes.
in the numerator you have 5, 3, 7, 13. Denominator we have 2, 19 and 8. So in the numerator denominator there's nothing. So this is going to be your that 1 mark ka calculation. They are going to give you 5 into 273 upon 2 into 152. This is what you will have to 5 3s 15, 1, 5 7s 35, 36, 3, 5 2s 10, 13. 1 3 6 5. Just double check. 5 3s 15, 5 7s 25, 26. No, 5 7s 35, 36, 3. It's correct. And this will be 304, correct? Okay. And then you'll have to show in your rough work 1 3 6 5. I don't have space here, so I'm just showing here. Okay, so 304 you have to show nicely over here. Then whatever number you get, that is, you will write, is it liters? Is it liters? Yes, liters.
Yes,
it's liters. Okay, so for this they are going to give you 1 mark. Understanding? So if you have to finish lots of questions, just leave about 3-4 lines and go to the next question. Understood? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we finish with this. Gas is allowed to expand at constant temperature. Means what? P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 will happen, correct? From initial volume to a final volume. At the end of the expansion, the pressure of the gas was this. What was the initial pressure? So what are you going to write? Case 1 and case 2. So P1 and V1 and then P2 and V2. They are asking you the initial pressure means question mark. It is 1 atmosphere is P2. So this is 1 atmosphere. Initial volume is 300 ml and final volume is 1800 ml. Okay, so what you'll say, temperature constant, therefore by Boyle's law, and you'll write P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Can you do this on your own? Tell fast. Your answer will come in atmospheres.
Ma'am, answer is 6 atmosphere.
Very good. So this finishes one worksheet of gas equation. Now this is the second one, which is of Practical chemistry. Practical chemistry, all of you remember the gas tests. Which are the gases? We have O2, H2, CO2, SO2, and H2S. You have to know the test for that. Everybody knows what is the observation for this. Colorless, odorless gas rekindles the glowing splinter. What is this? Colorless, odorless gas, what does it do? Extinguishes the glowing splinter with a pop sound. What is this? Brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide gas, which turns lime water milky but has no effect on acidified K2Cr2O7 solution.
Permanganate and potassium dichromate.
Now, when I say that brisk effervescence is when I take a carbonate, listen very carefully, and I will add a dilute acid. Understanding? So let us take CaCO3 to understand, and I'll take HCl dilute. What will I get? Tell fast in the reaction. CaCl2 plus H2CO3, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So H2CO3 is unstable, so we don't write like this. How do we write? H2O plus CO2. Now that CO2 gas will be in this acid, so it will come as bubbles, so effervescence. Understanding? But if I have CuCO3, if I'm heating, I will get CuO and CO2. If I'm only taking the powder in a petri dish, and if I heat it, the carbon dioxide will go just like that. Will I see bubbles in the air?
No, ma'am.
Bubbles,
No.
I will see only if there is a liquid, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this CO2, I will not write brisk effervescence. But this CO2, I will write as brisk effervescence. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So SO2 is also what? Colorless gas, but it has a smell. Suffocating smell. It smells of burning sulfur. Correct? And then you know that it turns lime water milky and acidified K2Cr2O7 solution from orange to clear
Orange to
green.
clear.
Okay, H2S, what is the smell? Rotten egg smell.
Colorless and rotten egg smell.
The smell, if I ask you, you can't say colorless, huh? You can't say colorless smell, huh? Don't say like that. If the smell is asked, write smell only, don't write the color. We don't have smell called colorless, no? But what is the test? It turns moist.
Lead, acid, and paper, silvery black.
Very good. Okay. So now that you understood this, let us come to name the following. Which gas turns lime water milky?
Carbon dioxide.
So you will have either CO2 or SO2. Both are possible. I'm writing the symbols in the exam. Please write the names. A basic gas is ammonia. Remember,
Ammonia.
this is the only basic gas in chemistry for your syllabus. Acidic gas which produces dense white fumes with ammonia. Acidic gas will be here. Don't write HCl, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride gas. Okay, if you write only HCl, what does it mean? Hydrochloric acid also, and hydrogen chloride gas also. So there will be confusion. Don't write the formula. Write what? The name. Gas with rotten smell. Come on, tell me. This is hydrogen sulfide. Reddish brown gas which produces this thing. This is which one? Reddish brown gas. Which one? This is nitrogen dioxide. So remember violet vapors with potassium iodide. Remember this. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write your observation for the following reactions. Now these observations, they are all there with you. You have to know them by heart. What is lead nitrate?
Baby and not water.
Write your observation for the following. Observation, will you write PbNO3 twice? No. Observation will be what? It decrepitates on heating. It forms PbO. Now remember, for observation, your reaction will be very useful. So even if you are not asked, you will write the reaction. You will have to know
Yes.
this by heart. All nitrates, I have given you the reaction. I have told you all nitrates will take 2 as the coefficient here and 2 here. How many n's are there? 4. Understanding? So remember 2 to 4, and you should be able to write all the reactions of nitrates except the last one. What is the last one? NH4NO3. Where is the list of all the nitrates? Have I told you to write on the last page of your chemistry notebook? Do you remember? This gives you N2O plus 2H2O, and here there is no residue. This is again an important reaction, no residue, and this is the non-metallic nitrate. So in place of asking ammonium nitrate, what they will say? Non-metallic nitrate, leaving no residue on heating. Did you see that? They will say
Yes, ma'am.
identify. Okay, so all the other nitrates will be giving you with 2 nitrates something, except on top of the EC series, where you'll have KNO3 will give me 2 KNO2 and O2, and 2 NaNO3, which on heating will give me 2 NaNO2 plus O2. So this is the revision of all the nitrates. All the other nitrates in the middle region, they are going to give you this. What is the color of this? Observation. They are saying your observation. What will be my first observation? Lead nitrate decrepitates, liberating what? Liberating what?
Reddish
Liberating,
brown color gas.
reddish brown NO2 gas, and leaves what? Leaves what residue?
Litharge residue.
Litharge residue, that is the name. When they are observation, they say, you have to say buff yellow. Buff yellow residue, residue of litharge, you can say. Don't say litharge as is residue, okay? Because then observation means color is missing, no? Then understood? Color you didn't mention, no? You said litharge residue means. Did you mention the color? No. So leaves
Yes,
buff yellow residue, litharge, which stains,
Sticks to the glass.
which sticks to the glass and stains glass yellow. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But your school has in the past cut the marks if they did not write even colorless, odorless oxygen gas. So write into bracket also colorless, odorless. Which gas? O2 gas, which rekindles the glowing splinter. Okay. Now look at your second one. Copper nitrate is heated. Can you write the reaction looking at this? What will you write the reaction? 2 CuNO3 twice on heating is
gives us 2CO plus 4NO2 plus O2.
up arrow नहीं बोला. हाँ. So tell me, what is your observation? That blue copper nitrate will liberate what? Reddish brown NO2 gas. And what colored residue it will be? CuO means?
Black colored residue.
What? Black colored. Just say black residue. Why do you want to say black colored? Black means black color only, no?
Yes.
So don't write the word color because you are saving on your time. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write this on your own. Let's go to ammonium dichromate. I have told you this is important. What is the reaction? I had told you to learn it by heart. NH4 twice Cr2O7. On heating, it will give you chromic oxide. Then it gives 4 water molecules and it will give you N2 as the gas. They will ask you for observation, they'll ask you name the gas liberated. So this is what orange will decompose violently with flashes of light.
Flashes of light. Yes, ma'am.
Who's going to wait? Flashes of light forming what? What is this called? Green voluminous mass.
Video.
Correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then hydrated copper sulfate is heated. Blue hydrated copper sulfate will become what? What is the formula for copper sulfate hydrated?
CuSO 4.5H2.
Very good. We don't say point, we say dot. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
So this will go correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if they ask you the observation, what you'll say? Blue hydrated
Copper sulfate.
crystals turn into
Anhydrous.
पहले color. First of all, the color white, anhydrous, amorphous, copper sulfate. Correct?
Yes.
And what is this? Colorless. What is it? When I heat, what is it?
Water vapor.
What is the test for that? Which turns anhydrous cobalt chloride paper.
Pink. Pink.
No, blue to pink.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, did you see that? You would have missed out on this, no? Now be careful, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this one? Name the gas released when this copper carbonate is heated. Copper carbonate heated, reaction helps you to understand the question. Which is the gas? Did you understand how to write the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Lead nitrate is heated. So we already wrote that reaction up there. So which gas is released?
Carbon dioxide.
From nitrate I'll get carbon dioxide.
Sorry,
Nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen.
What? कांदा डाल के बटाटा निकाल रही तू? हाँ? Nitrogen.
It won't happen again.
Nitrogen dioxide. Now there are two gases, no?
Yes, ma'am. And oxygen. And oxygen.
And here what you'll write below this? And what is this?
Colorless gas. Colorless gas.
Alright, name the product form when zinc nitrate is heated. Now remember the reaction. Tell me, look at the earlier reaction, tell me 2Zn
2 7 NO3 whole twice is,
on heating
on
gives
heating is Z 2 ZNO plus 4 NO2 plus O2 up arrow.
very good. Now they are saying the products. So therefore what you'll say, products. What is the product? Number one,
zinc oxide,
very good. Number two,
hydrogen dioxide gas,
and the third one,
oxygen gas,
gas.
understanding? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now supposing they had to ask you observation, then you would have written this as what? Reddish brown NO2 gas. And for this what you would have said? The residue yellow when hot and white when cold. Understanding?
yes ma'am.
On the other hand, supposing they had to give you CuNO3 twice and they would say what are the products, then here I would get copper 2 oxide. Did you understand?
Yes ma'am.
If it was this, see for zinc, did we write zinc 2 oxide?
No,
Why
ma'am.
did we not write zinc 2 oxide and for copper we write copper 2 oxide?
Because valency example,
Ma'am, copper exhibits variable valency.
Copper exhibits 1 plus and 2
2
plus
plus.
valency. But zinc has only
yes,
1 valency. That's why we don't write zinc 2 oxide. Did you understand the difference? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for this copper, supposing I had copper CuO and you write only copper oxide, then your teacher can cut marks, yes or no? The teacher will say, is it
Yes.
copper 1 or is it copper 2, correct or no? So
yes ma'am.
I will stand to lose the marks. Now what are they telling you? Distinguish between CO2, SO2. What will you write for CO2, SO2? Both of them are gases. What should I write here? I should write test. What should I write here? Both turn lime water milky. Shall I use lime water here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I can't.
Ma'am, CO2 has no effect on acidified KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 solution.
Yeah, but distinguish between, I'll take only one of them. I won't write Cr2O7 and KMnO4, both I won't write. I have to take only one.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will say,
KMnO4.
tell me what I'll write here. Shall I write here add
CO2.
Cr2O7 to each?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
No, then you'll get 0. Both of them are gases, so you have to say bubble each. Did you all get a 0 because you didn't say this? Now correct yourself, tell me bubble each through, tell me acidified,
K2Cr.
correct? Now what you'll say, if no color change, underline no color change, then CO2 present, correct?
Yes ma'am.
And what you'll say, if orange
If orange
turns to
turns to clear green,
clear
then
green
SO2 present.
solution,
Yes,
underline
ma'am.
orange clear green solution, then
SO2 present.
how is it, good, bad or ugly? Tell fast.
Good.
Yes.
Good, ma'am.
Okay.
Good, ma'am.
Now here what will I do? Distinguish between this and this. You will make the two columns. What is different in these?
Ma'am, the end product of PbNO3 twice is PbO is buff yellow and ZNO is yellow when hot and white when cold.
I didn't understand. Did you add some solution or you heated it strongly?
Heat,
So
heated.
you didn't mention it only.
Heated strongly.
If you don't mention and say end products, you will get a 0. Tell me how you should frame your sentence here. Heat both strongly. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here what will I get? PB owner. You
PB,
don't say
yes.
end product. What you'll say if
Uh,
buff yellow residue. Okay, that is PBO. Then PB2 plus present. Correct? Understanding? Therefore what? Did you understand how to frame your statement?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Correct? And here what will I get? ZNO, no? So if residue is, what is the description?
Yellow when hot and white
Yellow
when
when
cold.
hot and white when cold.
Yellow when hot. Very good. When hot and
White when cold.
White when cold.
correct.
Then
Then
Zn2 plus present. Therefore, ZnNO3 whole twice present.
okay. Now write over there or. In case your teacher makes a mistake of asking this question based on 10 standard work, they will tell you distinguish between and they will say using NH4OH solution. So you have to say add. This is just I'm safeguarding your interest. Okay, in case your teacher asks by mistake 10 standard work, add NH4OH solution dropwise and then in excess. So PB will take that OH will become PBOH twice. So what you will get over here, if chalky white, PB means chalky white PPT, okay? Chalky white PPT in the exam, write precipitate, huh? Anytime there is the word PPT, what you should write? Precipitate, okay? Chalky white precipitate of what? PBOH twice. Are you understanding? Because there is a hydroxide and this double decomposition will happen. No? Understanding what I'm saying? PPT of PBOH twice, which is insoluble. See here, insoluble in excess. Then PB, just do like this, copy paste, okay? Therefore PbNO3 twice present. And for Zn, what will you get? Zn will take OH. Then what will it form? ZnOH twice. So if gelatinous white precipitate of ZnOH twice formed, comma, then formed, sorry, formed which is soluble.
Insoluble in.
No, it is soluble. Zinc is soluble in NH4OH. In excess, then this part will be copy pasted here. Okay. Just in case your teacher asks you 10 standard work, I don't trust your teacher. Okay. So this finishes one more worksheet. Then this is periodic table. Now can you see over here? State modern periodic law. This is learning work you can do on your own. Why isotopes are placed in the same position? If they ask you like this and you say, I don't know, you have to think of what is the definition of this. Do we know what is isotope?
They have same atomic number.
Yes, ma'am.
Different mass number.
So this is not Python theorem, this is periodic table. In chemistry, PT means periodic table. In maths, it becomes Python theorem. So what you'll say, as isotopes have same
Chemical
atomic.
properties that
No. We are talking about the position. Position means no properties.
same atomic number with
Huh.
different mass
Huh.
number.
Now I am not interested in atomic mass. I will say they have the same atomic number and the elements are arranged in periodic table according to increasing atomic number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So they have same atomic number. I don't care about the mass or neutrons or whatever, but same atomic number, and in the periodic table they are arranged according to the atomic number, therefore same position. Did you understand? We don't have to bring in the atomic mass or the mass number. Did you understand? Did you understand? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what is a group and a period? This is learning work. How many groups, periods? This is learning work. You can do that on your own. We don't have to sit and solve everything. Name the element which has two shells completely filled. That means 2, 8. So the fourth question, 2, 8 means which one it is?
Neon.
Period 2 and group 18 means
Neon.
correct. 3 valence electrons belonging to, no, 3 valence electron, okay, 3. That means it will be 283, correct?
Yes, sir.
283 means naughty magazines are read by all, aluminium. Did you understand how I did it mentally?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The mnemonic comes in easy, okay? So you have to remember according to the position in the periodic table. What is the significance of valence shell in determining the position of element in the periodic table? So for the valence shell, what does valence shell tell you? Valence shell determines,
the period number.
no, valence shell is going to tell you the group, no? Supposing it is 2, 1, then 281, then 2881. Valence shell, what does it determine? It determines the valency.
Valence.
Okay, so this will become what? Valency 1 plus, correct or no? But they are saying what is the position of the element. This will be the group, no? So it was 2, 2, 282, 2882. I would say what? Group 2. So valence shell determines the group number. Group number of the element. Are you understanding where you will need a little polishing of answers? I'm helping you.
Yes.
Only
Yes, ma'am.
where you'll need, because the others can be learned to work. Then explain why atomic size decreases across the period. This some of you will have a little problem for. Right, atomic size decreases across the period from L to R. If I write L to R, you'll understand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
As the nuclear charge increases, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Nuclear charge increases and number of shells remain the same. Thus, more force is experienced by electrons from the nucleus. Does it make sense to you? Nucleus making the radius less, correct?
Correct.
Radius less, hence AT dot size means atomic size decreases. Okay, underline nuclear charge increases, number of shells remains same. So if it is period 3, then 3 shells, but as you go from left to right, more force. So the 3 shells will come closer. Understood, because more force is there. Understanding? Okay, now this one, elements in the same group. This again is question 7. Same group, what does it have? The same what? Same group has
Same balance.
elements with
Same balance.
same valence electron.
One number of valence.
No. Same valence electrons. Okay, then you will say chemical properties. Chem properties depend on what? Properties depend upon valence electron, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hence, and put dot dot dot. ठीक है? State 2 differences between metal and non-metals based on their position in the periodic table. So difference, anytime they say difference, even if it is 1 difference, 2 difference, you must have the columns. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the first difference? The position of this thing. Metals are on the left hand side. They are placed on the left, correct, of periodic table. Left in the period, and then what you'll write here, number 1 here, they are placed where?
On the right of the period.
On the
The right.
right in the period, correct or no? What is the second one position? 2 differences. Which is the second difference? Based on the position. Position means period and the groups, no? So
Yes.
they are placed. Now we talked about the period. Now group wise, which groups will they be? They are placed in which groups? Which groups?
1 and 2, 1A and 2.
1A, 2A and 3A, correct? Or
Yes.
13, correct? And here what you will say, they are placed in which groups? Going from 14 up to 17, right?
17. Yes, ma'am.
Group 14 to 17. Correct or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the ninth one is important. Atomic number. Atomic number means number of electrons are 16, correct? Therefore, electronic configuration. First thing is, first thing is get the electronic configuration. Now A says identify. What is this? 3 means naughty magazines are read by all sick people says. So it is sulfur. Correct? State the group.
yes,
It is 6 group. So it is group which one? First group. So group 16 and period means how many shells are there? How many shells are there? Write its electronic configuration. We finished writing long ago, but we are
2,
writing.
8,
Why are noble gases placed in a separate group in the modern periodic table? Their octet and duplets are complete. They have stable electronic configuration. Okay, that should be enough. Now tell me, MCQs. Periodic function of the atomic. Oh my goodness, they made it bold already to give you the answers. Oh my goodness. How many groups can you see?
18.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so nice. They're giving us the answers directly. Huh? Can you see that? Can you see
Yes,
here? Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Group 2, period 3. Period 3, naughty magazines. Milana MG. They are so sweet. They made the answers also stick out there. They should give you in the paper also like this. No, what do you say?
yes, ma'am.
Isotopes are placed in the same position because they have same atomic number. See, somebody was saying atomic number same and atomic mass different. No, can you see? The reason is what? Same atomic number. Okay, don't bring in the mass. Largest atomic size. Now here some of you will have confusion. Anybody confused here? Even if the answer is given. Anybody confused here? Huh?
Me, ma'am. Me,
You?
ma'am.
Okay. Now remember, as we go from here to here, what did we say? That the nuclear charge increases. Correct? I wrote the give reason, no? What did I write? Come on,
Yes.
find that. Atomic size decreases, वैसा लिखा था ना? Where is it?
Yes.
What is the reason?
As nuclear charge increases and number of shells remain the same, thus more force is experienced by electrons from the nucleus.
Very good. That means you have to visualize like this. Understanding? Atomic size will be big here, and as you go it will be small. Understanding? The largest means
Yes.
it will be group 1A, and the smallest will be what? Group 17. Understanding? And 18
Yes,
has
ma'am.
little bigger size because the shells are full, no? So there is repulsion. So 18 will not be the smallest. When they tell you in the periodic table the smallest and highest and this, that and all, no? Majority of them we are taking not the noble gases, not group 18, but this side. So now you understood this is fluorine is 17 here, oxygen is 16 here, nitrogen is 15 here, but lithium is 1 here. Understood? That's why lithium has the largest atomic size. Maximum number of electrons in valence shell can be only 8. Correct? Ma'am, helium has only 2. Can we put 8 over there? Will be a stupid question, okay? Helium has only 2 electrons. Noble gases are chemically inert. Why? Because completely filled outermost shell, correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
they don't need to gain, lose, or this is a give reason also, or share. Assertion questions. Uh, oh, this is for each one of them, and they've given like this. Elements in the same group have similar chemical
Yes.
properties. True, no?
Yes.
Same group means what? Same valence electron. Those who are not able to understand, make a note of it. Okay, so right over there, AR means assertion reason. Okay, so for one, valence electrons will be the same, so the chemical property, so it is 2, so assertion is true. Okay, and the reason they have the same number of valence is also true. Correct, so both of them are true, and the correct reason A. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Isotopes are placed in the same position is true. Reason they have the same atomic number, this is also true. So correct reason, that is A. Atomic size decreases from left to right across the period. Just now I showed you, know, they become like this.
Yes.
Chota size is 2. Reason nuclear charge increases
Yes, ma'am.
is correct. All of them are
Yes.
A only option. Noble gases are placed in separate
Yes.
since out.
Yes.
I'm getting bored. Everywhere they are just saying everything true, true only. Elements of group 1 are highly reactive metals.
Yes.
Yes, because they have only one electron which can be lost easily. This.
Yes.
Atomic size increases down the group. Yeah, because
Yes.
number of shells increases.
True.
True, true. Everything true, true hai ye. So far at least. Mendeleev's period
Yes.
had gaps,
Yes.
definitely. Because
True.
Yes.
valency of elements in period first increases then decreases. The number of electrons shall increase across the period. First increases then decreases is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
True.
It will be 1, 2, 3, and then after that it will be -1, -2, -3 like that. Sorry, -3, -2,
Yes, ma'am.
-1 like that. No, then it this thing. So modern periodic table is based on atomic number is true. Most fundamental is true. Everything is true, true only.
Ma'am, I think they are just like revising it.
Of course, it's a revision worksheet. Is there anything
Ma'am, like-
more?
No, ma'am, done.
Okay, so we finished with this worksheet also. Shall I stop here?